Hi. In this question, it's given that or it is asking about area under a VT graph represents a physical quantity which has the unit. So basically, we have to find out what does the area under a VT graph represent. So what is being asked? It's asking about area under what? Under a VT graph. So what does area under a VT graph represent? We know that area under a VT graph represents displacement. So if we have to find out the displacement of a body whose VT graph is given, we just need to find out the area of the VT graph. What do we mean by finding out the area of the VT graph? Let's say this is V and this is T, and this is how the VT graph look like. So basically, if we want to find out the displacement covered from, let's say, at time t equals to 0, so time t equals to t, let's say this is time t equals to t equals to t. So what do we need to do is we just need to find out this area. We need to find out this area. So area between t equals to 0 to t equals to t. Okay, so how do we find out the area? If this is a regular shape, that is if it is a line, then it is easier to find out. How? We can find out the area of trapezium A, B, C, D. Okay, and we know that area of trapezium ABCD, area in this case will be half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between the parallel sides. Okay, so but clearly we know that area under VT graph represents displacement. And what's the unit of displacement? Displacement is measured in meters, so hence the unit will be meters, right? So hence in this case option B is correct.